Framer portfolio. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open your browser and search for 𝗕𝗲𝗂𝗀𝗀𝗀 in the search bar. Once the website has loaded, log in into your account. If you already have an account, simply log in. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one first. After logging in, navigate to the top menu bar and click on the Resources section. A drop-down menu will appear. Select Marketplace from the list of options. This will take you to the Marketplace page. Locate the section labeled Template and click the See All button position just below it. You can narrow your search typing portfolio on the search bar and using the available filter options, such as selecting only free templates. Scroll down to find the template you want. For example, I will choose this template. Now, click on it to open its dedicated page. On that page, click the Use for Free button to continue. Then, begin editing your new portfolio by changing the name and adjusting other elements as needed.